gonna get a top speed run with the Vanguard drift quad here. See what we put down. Dude, I think 1 minute flat is all we need out of a hot lap. This thing, like, I'm gonna take it easy because we have so much more weight. So good. It sounds so awesome. I still have plenty of foot room over here.
The 30 series is not that bad.
This might be the best sounding engine we've ever had on a project. The throttle is really heavy. And believe it or not, like, these tires.
Yeah, I hope we fix that throttle good for him. I'd hate for something to happen because it's putting out some decent power. He does have the kill switch right on his left side. How's it feel? Can you tell there's a lot more power?
Yeah, well, okay, honestly, it was spinning before, and it's still spinning. The big thing is the noise. It just sounds awesome. You know what? I'm gonna get a top speed run with the Vanguard drift quad here. See what we put down.